Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today we're going to light up the Concept 2 Mini Wood Cookstove. This is going to be our first burn in the stove. So again, as always, with your first burn, you do want to load a small amount of kindling in the firebox first to get that going. You want to let that kindling burn out almost completely to a bed of coals, and then you'll put a couple of logs on there. You do not want to start a roaring, raging hot fire for your very first fire. So it's very important to break in your new wood cook stove gently, allowing the paint and the materials on the stove to properly cure. So I'm going to go through the lighting process on the stove with you. I'm going to give you some temperature measurements, and then in the future we'll be doing some cooking and some baking videos as well, so definitely keep your eyes out for those. Here is our firebox. As you can see, we have a very small amount of kindling in here. It is properly stacked for airflow. No paper kindling whatsoever. We're gonna light up the Concept 2 Mini right now. Small amount of wood in here, absolutely no paper kindling whatsoever. Of course, you do want to activate your damper controls before you start the fire for proper airflow. Okay, we got a beautiful fire going. The glass is burning nice and clean. Alright, so we are 1 hour into this burn. You can see the firebox here that we just have a nice hot bed of coals. So basically I'm just going to reload this fire and keep it burning all night. I did want to give you guys some temperatures though. So the oven, the external oven thermometer is saying 300 degrees. I want to do some internal measurements. 520, 500, 520. Rear of the oven is reading 225. So again, external thermometer is not going to be that accurate. A lot of questions I get about this particular model is the cooktop temperature. So right now on the cooktop, I've got 390 degrees, which is still plenty hot enough to actually be able to cook on top of. So I'm gonna go ahead, load up this fire. As you can see, the glass burned really clean. I'll load it up one more load and show you guys that. All right, second load, literally less than a minute since I loaded that firebox door. Closed it, and you can just see how well this thing is burning. Very clean burn. Excellent design on the air wash. This thing burns really hot, so far so good. I can't wait to bake in this stove. As always, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Also, click the subscribe button on our channel to be notified of our new video releases. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.